guys, it's Sam from Raggedy Bits. I'm going to share with you today some really simple ways to stain raw wood, whether it be some furniture that you've made, some signs that you're going to make, and it's all using paints that you might already have. So let's get started. So the colours that I'm going to use today are Sweet Pickings Candy Bar and Miss Mustard Seed Curio, and I'm also going to try a little bit of chocolate, which is one of my favourites from the Fusion range. These are all just little tiny weeny bits of samples that I have left over, but I usually use any of these three on any of my raw wood projects as a stain, so that when you're distressing, you've got that nice timber looking vibe coming through. So I've just popped out the tiniest little bits into some plastic cups, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of warm water. I'm just going to add the water to the paint. So what you want to do is kind of water it down, and I'm just going to mix it up. Curio. And the chocolate. Okay, so I'm just going to let the milk paint sit for a bit so that it all combines and reacts together. And we'll start off with the chocolate. So once that's all done and ready to go, I always have a set of disposable gloves with. So I just double up the disposable gloves because I've got long fingernails, so my fingernails tend to go straight through the gloves. So I always double up because this can become a bit messy. That's if I can get them on. Okay. I just grab some Chuck's cloth and just dip it in the water to squeeze out any excess. And of course, you can get to play around with it. If you want to go darker, you just add a little bit more of the chocolate. Depends on how much you've watered it down. And you just wipe that over your board. And I like to do the sides as well. And I'll also do the back when it's dry. Now we're going to try the Curio from Miss Mustard. And next is Candy Bar by Sweet Pickings. On the last one, I decided that I was going to do a little bit of black stain, because it always looks nice with white when you paint a sign white with the black coming through. So I've just used a little bit of Fusion Coal Black, and the same technique as all the others. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial, and it just goes to show you how easy it is to stain wood. And don't forget to stay tuned for my next tutorial, which I'm going to turn all of these into Easter signs, and I'll also show you how to use the wax blocks resistors so that it stops you going back to the raw wood, and instead you'll let the stain come through. I'll be sure to leave a link below to the full tutorial and all the paints that I used and products that I used in this tutorial down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to sharing with you some more DIYs and painting projects.